Assalamu alaikum friends, here is photography Facebook template. You can use as a post, you can use as a Facebook cover. Okay, these are PST file and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime in $2.99. Okay, so here is 3 item. Import model photos or your own photos. Okay, you can change color. Next is here is just 4 items. Here is 1 photo, 2, 3, and here is 4, like a photo collage. Same thing is here. Here is a creative studio, photography, fashion, and bidding. Okay. Next is wow. Look like a photo collage templates, but these are a Facebook templates, mostly for photography. Next is here is a file extract here, and you see, wow, now we need an image like this one. Control S, and you see here. Okay, now so you can extract this one, this, and here. Last is you need just one photo. Okay, here you can import 4 photo. Main is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we need a photo like this one. Okay, or you can rotate. For example, Control S, and you see our design is here. So you write anything, promo code is X. No. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Allah Hafiz.